MS Dhoni, who called time on his international career, leaves behind a rich legacy both as a wicketkeeper batsman and as one of the most successful captain. I am Tapush Bhattacharya, and in the next half an hour, we will be showcasing Captain Cool's many facets. Indian cricket is left with a massive void to fill as MS Dhoni announced his retirement from international cricket 6 years after bidding adieu to Test cricket. The inevitable has happened. Dhoni's form may have dipped off late, as is his match-winning abilities. But more than his batting, it is his cricketing acumen which the Indian team will miss the most. मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है. Captain Cool used an emotional song to say adieu to international cricket in a poetic manner.
Down the ground, has that gone the distance? It has!
This six remains perhaps the most iconic moment in the history of Indian cricket. With the nation celebrating its 74th Independence Day on 15th of August, Dhoni quietly dropped the bomb on his Instagram handle with a montage of various moments from his cricket career and his favorite song, "Main Pal Do Pal Ka Shair Hoon," playing in the background. He simply wrote, "Thanks a lot for your love and support throughout from 1929 hours. Consider me as retired."
पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है, पल दो पल मेरी हस्ती है, पल दो पल मेरी जवानी है, मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ। मुझसे पहले कितने शायर आए और आकर चले गए, कुछ आहें भर कर लौट गए, कुछ नग़्मे गा कर चले गए। वो भी एक पल का किस्सा थे, मैं भी एक पल का किस्सा हूँ, कल तुमसे जुदा हो जाऊंगा, वो आज तुम्हारा हिस्सा हूँ। मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है, पल दो पल मेरी हस्ती है, पल दो पल मेरी जवानी है, मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ। कल और आएंगे नगमों की खिलती कलियां चुनने वाले, मुझसे बेहतर कहने वाले, तुमसे बेहतर सुनने वाले। कल कोई मुझको याद करे, क्यों कोई मुझको याद करे, मसरूफ ज़माना मेरे लिए क्यों वक्त अपना बर्बाद करे। मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है, पल दो पल मेरी हस्ती है, पल दो पल मेरी जवानी है, मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है, पल दो पल मेरी हस्ती है, पल दो पल मेरी जवानी है, मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ।
कल नई कोपलें फूटेंगी, कल नए फूल मुस्काएंगे, और नई घास के नए फर्श पर नए पांव इठलाएंगे। वो मेरे बीच नहीं आए, वो मेरे बीच नहीं आए, मैं उनके बीच में क्यों आऊं? उनकी सुबहों और शामों का, उनकी सुबहों और शामों का मैं एक भी लम्हा क्यों पाऊं? मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूं, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है, पल दो पल मेरी हस्ती है, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी।
Dhoni is the only captain to lift all three ICC trophies, the 50-over World Cup, the T20 World Cup and the Champions Trophy. And he also took India to the top of the ICC Test rankings. While the post didn't specify it, the retirement is only from international cricket and Dhoni will play for the Chennai Super Kings in the upcoming IPL 2020. The announcement meant Dhoni's final international match would remain his 350th ODI, the World Cup 2019 semi-final against New Zealand in July 2019. He will be remembered as both batsman and captain for his unconventional style and his ability to remain calm in the face of the severest pressure. That's shown through in his biggest moment on the world stage, closing out the World Cup final in Mumbai in 2011 with a six to put the icing on a match-winning knock of 91 runs. In one of the other massive matches of his career, the final of the inaugural T20 World Cup in 2007, he threw the ball to Joginder Sharma for the last over instead of the more experienced Harbhajan Singh, and it worked. Besides being India's most successful captain in the limited overs format, Dhoni also redefined wicket-keeping skills and earned the reputation of being one of the finest stumpers in the world cricket in the last few years. With 829 dismissal across three formats in international cricket, he finishes third on the list of wicket-keepers with most dismissals. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, a legendary wicketkeeper batsman, made his Ranji debut in the 1999-2000 season at the age of 18 years, playing for Bihar. The swashbuckling maestro started his ODI career against Bangladesh in 2004. He played his first test match against Sri Lanka in Chennai in 2005. Dhoni made his T20 international debut against South Africa in 2006. In his first captaincy stint, he led an inexperienced side and won the inaugural T20 World Cup in 2007, bringing a T20 revolution in the country. His success as the captain in the blockbuster IPL is a watershed moment. In 2008, MSD was grabbed by Chennai Super Kings for the first season, which made him the most expensive player in IPL that year. Under his captaincy, India became the #1 side in Test cricket for the first time in 2009. In 2010 and 2011, CSK under MS Dhoni won the IPL. In 2011, he led India to the ODI World Cup victory. The icing on the cake was that he finished off the final match with a six to win India the trophy after 28 years. In 2013, Dhoni won a glorious Champions Trophy final against England. In 2018, MSD once again showcased his Midas touch by winning the IPL. Coming from the cricketing backwaters of Jharkhand, Dhoni leaves behind a legacy which will be hard to match. Along with that, he also leaves behind a plethora of records that he broke and his illustrious career.
He goes for the big one.
From the nondescript came a boy who became the face of Indian cricket and instrumental in India lifting the hallowed cricket after a gap of 28 years. His long hair, fearless attitude saw him become an instant darling of crowds with ODI innings of 148 and 183 within a year of his debut. He blazed into prominence with a sparkling knock of 148 against arch-enemy Pakistan in Vizag, and from then on there was no looking back for Mahi. A clunk to the handle, adjustment to his helmet and a helicopter swing of the willow. He would use of his superpower to put the opposition into submission, and in later years carefully planned those run chases which gave him the name Captain Cool and Chase Master. The ability to shut everything else and go on with his business is what separates Dhoni from the rest. In total, Dhoni has played 538 matches, scoring 17,266 runs. He also has 16 hundreds and 108 50s to his name. The Maverick swashbuckler also hit 359 sixes while being responsible for 829 dismissals. Dhoni has played 90 tests in which he amassed 4,876 runs at an average of 38.09. He has also played 350 ODIs in which he has scored 10,773 runs with an average of 50.57. Dhoni also played 98 T20 internationals for India in which he has scored 1,617 runs at an average of 37.60. Under his captaincy, India has won the top prize in all formats. Number 1 Test rankings for 18 months starting from December 2009, the 50-over World Cup in 2011, and the World T20 on his captaincy debut in 2007. In 2013, under his captaincy, India has also won the ICC Champions Trophy, making him the first captain and till date the only one to win all 3 ICC trophies, leaving no doubt that he is one of the most successful captains of India. He has also been a revelation in the Indian Premier League, as he has led Chennai Super Kings to 3 titles over the years. Aside from his batting and captaincy records, Dhoni has also been one of the best wicketkeepers. No wonder fans on social media call DRS as Dhoni Review System. His achievements were also celebrated on the silver screen with a biographical film titled MS Dhoni: The Untold Story, which was released in 2016. One man and countless moments of joy. Dhoni's retirement from international cricket came as a shock to his colleagues and fans who took to social media to pay tribute to a man who was to them variously a captain, leader, legend, mentor and friend. Dhoni's Indian teammate paid tribute to their skipper, mentor, elder brother and friend. MS Dhoni, the most successful Indian captain, announced his retirement from international cricket. As soon as the news broke, his lakhs of fans on Twitter began pouring their love and respect for the legendary wicketkeeper batsman. Home Minister Amit Shah and other politicians, his former teammates, including cricket icon Sachin Tendulkar, also wished him for the future. Union Home Minister Amit Shah expressed his gratitude to Dhoni for his contribution to sports and the country. I joined millions of cricket fans across the globe to thank MS Dhoni for his unparalleled contribution to Indian cricket. His cool temperament has turned several hot encounters in India's favour. Under his captaincy, India was crowned world champions twice in different formats. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari also lauded MS Dhoni on the day of his retirement. He tweeted, "Well played MS Dhoni, you took India's name to the pinnacle of world cricket with your performance and leadership. Every Indian is proud of you. My best wishes on your next innings." Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar tweeted, "My best wishes to MS Dhoni as he calls it a day. Captain Cool, as he is rightly called, has made us proud on up-team occasions. Apart from his brilliant cricketing skills, his composure, self-belief and excellent decision-making under pressure is what makes him a legend." Union Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju said, "Thank you for all the wonderful memories, MS Dhoni. Your belief, confidence, courage and hard work will continue to inspire generations." Sachin Tendulkar tweeted, "Your contribution to Indian cricket has been immense, MS Dhoni. Winning the 2011 World Cup together has been the best moment of my life. Wishing you and your family all the very best for your second innings." Saurav Ganguly, now the president of the BCCI, said, "It is the end of an era. What a player he has been for the country and the world cricket. His leadership qualities have been something which will be hard to match, especially in the shorter format of the game." Indian cricket team captain Virat Kohli tweeted, "Every cricketer has to end his journey one day, but still, when someone you have gotten to know so closely announces that decision, you feel the emotion much more. What you have done for the country will always remain in everyone's heart." Virendra Sehwag said, "To have a player like him, mission impossible. Na koi hai, na koi tha, na koi hoga, MS ke jaisa. Players will come and go, but there won't be a calmer man like him." Dhoni, with his connect with people having aspiration, was like a family member to many cricket lovers. Om Finishai Namah. Now let's take a look at the various reaction coming around the country showering praise on Captain Cool.
महेंद्र सिंह धोनी या जैसे उनके फैंस उनको माही कहते हैं, ना केवल एक शानदार बैट्समैन विकेटकीपर बल्कि एक बहुत सफल कप्तान भी रहे और एक बहुत लंबी पारी उन्होंने खेली विकेटकीपर, बैट्समैन और कप्तान के नाते भी। भारत के लिए बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धियां हैं, 2 विश्व कप जिताने की, भारतीय टीम को टेस्ट में नंबर 1 बनाने की, आईपीएल में शानदार परफॉर्मेंस है, चैंपियनशिप जिताने की। तो निश्चित तौर पर महेंद्र सिंह धोनी के फैंस को एक तरह से दुख भी होगा, लेकिन मुझे लगता है युवाओं को आगे आने का अवसर मिलेगा, क्योंकि बहुत लंबे समय तक महेंद्र सिंह धोनी खेले हैं। उनके स्थान को भर पाना इतना आसान नहीं होगा, लेकिन भारतीय क्रिकेट के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा सेवाएं उन्होंने दी हैं। तो समस्त भारतीय क्रिकेट फैंस की ओर से भी उनको बहुत बहुत आभार और धन्यवाद।
मतलब इतना बड़ा खिलाड़ी, दुख तो होता ही है जब भी कोई बड़ा खिलाड़ी जाता है, तो उसका वैक्यूम जो है था बहुत बड़ा होता है, क्योंकि उसकी भरपूर्ति कोई दूसरा आकर यंगस्टर कर पाएगा या नहीं कर पाएगा, ये सबसे बड़ी बात होती है। क्योंकि ऐसे खिलाड़ी बहुत कम आते हैं और बड़ी सदियों में आते हैं, जैसे कपिल देव हुआ, सुनील गावस्कर हुए, सौरभ हुए, या MS धोनी हुए, या विराट कोहली जो अब खेल रहे हैं। तो ये ऐसे खिलाड़ी बड़े रेयर ब्रीड होते हैं और ये इनके ऊपर जो कंट्री है डिपेंड करती है। जो आज हमारी जो ग्रोथ हुई है वो महेंद्र सिंह धोनी की वजह से हुई है क्रिकेट में।
उनका ये नेचर रहा है, अगर आपको याद हो जिस तरह उन्होंने टेस्ट क्रिकेट को अलविदा कहा था, वो भी बड़ा सरप्राइजिंग था। ऑस्ट्रेलिया में 2 टेस्ट के बाद उन्होंने विराट कोहली को बुलाकर और पूरी टीम के सामने ये अनाउंस कर दिया था कि अब विराट कोहली तैयार हैं और वो कप्तानी करेंगे और मैं उनके अंडर खेलने में मुझे कोई परेशानी नहीं है। तो अच्छी बात यह है कि महेंद्र सिंह धोनी अब नीली जर्सी में तो नहीं नजर आएंगे, लेकिन कम से कम उनके फैंस के लिए वो पीली जर्सी में ज़रूर रहेंगे और IPL खेलते रहेंगे, तो ये भी एक सेटिस्फेक्शन होगा फैंस के लिए।
For him, having responsibility, having leadership responsibility was just inside ground. So whenever the game used to get over, his job was over. After that, he immediately was like normal person, like normal individual. So for him, every senior was, respected, and he used to give same kind of respect. He used to treat them as a teammate only. He was never like leader or a captain of the team. And his journey, he never thought about even playing for country for so long. So representing country was proud moment for him, and playing for country and representing nation was actually proud moment for him.
He will always be remembered as the most successful captain, cricketer, and a finest human being on the cricketing arena. And all our good wishes and luck to him.
Dhoni wasn't a gifted cricketer by any means, but he worked hard at his game to establish himself as a legend in the limited overs format. Not only was Dhoni destructive with a bat, but was also one of the best wicket-keeper the sport has ever seen. There were many records that he has managed to write in his long and glorious career.
91.
The only captain to win 3 ICC tournaments, MS Dhoni led India to victory in the inaugural edition of the World T20 in 2007, followed it up with an ODI World Cup triumph in 2011, and then became the only captain to lift all 3 ICC tournaments by leading India in the Champions Trophy title, winning it in 2013. Most final wins as a captain. Dhoni has led India to a 6 multi-nation ODI tournament finals, and of which India have won 4, making him the most successful captain in multi-nation ODI tournament finals. Overall, Dhoni has won 110 ODI as captain, which is second most by any player. Ponting is in the first place on the list by winning 165 ODIs. Most not outs in ODIs. MS Dhoni has remained unbeaten in 84 ODIs, which is again a world record. Out of the 84 times Dhoni remained unbeaten in ODIs, 51 came while India were chasing, and amazingly, the men in blue emerged victorious in 47 of those, while the 2 matches were tied and they lost only 2 times. Most stumpings in international cricket. MS Dhoni also holds the record for inflicting the most number of stumpings in international cricket. In 350 matches, Dhoni has 123 stumpings to his name. He is also the only wicketkeeper to have inflicted 100 international stumpings in his career. In terms of total dismissal, Dhoni is behind South Africa's Mark Boucher and Australia's Adam Gilchrist. It would now be an understatement to say that his shoes will be hard to fill as Dhoni bids adieu to cricket. But we should celebrate his glorious career as a captain, a batsman, wicketkeeper, and most importantly, as a great servant of Indian cricket. Well, that's all from this special program. We leave you with more of MSD. Namaskar.